Hello guys, it's your boy DJ Search right here. I love you so much. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hebom TV Kenya, sponsored by Marginex Trading Center. I'm here to tell you one thing about being a youth. So if you are there and you are youth and you are happy to be youth, kindly this video is for you. Kwa hapo kama ni Gen Z, hii video ni yako. So I'm here to address you guys. Niwaambia kwamba you can use your phone or laptop kupata pesa yako. So no need kusumbua mzazi anytime, any day, any second unasumbua mzazi. So I'm here to tell you can do something with your phone, not just scrolling your TikTok and YouTube, not that, but you can make money with your phone. So najua unashindwa na kuambiaje unaweza make pesa through your phone or your laptop. This is how you can do it. So first of all, if you are new to this channel and hii video itakusaidia, kindly feel free to subscribe, like and share. Na ukifanya hivyo at least itafikia wasee wengi. So kindly subscribe. Then from there let's dig into it. So we are here to educate you guys, kuambia what you can do with your phone to be the millionaire of tomorrow. So this is how you can do that. First of all, grab your phone. In that description there is a link, and that link ni a Scope Market. Yani press poa, unaweza tradia ama unaweza fanya trading yako. Sasa trading zimekuwa mingi, zingine si legit, zingine ni legit. So for this ninakuletea platform poa sana, and that is Scope Market. Tunafanya nini? Tunakupatia tunakusomesha for free how to trade. Class ni free anytime that you feel to kupata a new strategy, and then tunakufundia account yako, tunakufungulia account na tunakufundia account. So meaning auta hustle pesa ya kuanza, una get, si tunakufund kidogo, then kutoka hapo you make your profit and the day goes on. So kindly hapo kwa description guza hiyo link, itakupeleka direct to Scope Market, and then from there our agent atakupigia simu na atakuonyesha step by step how to open your account, and from there you are good to go. Use your phone, use your laptop, use your time. Stop scrolling WhatsApp and TikTok and YouTube, seeing videos. You can use your phone by just clicking that link below. So please, my Gen Z, this is your time. This is your time. Forex is real. Trading is real. So kuna wale wanafanya Forex original, and I'm telling you this. Scope Market, they are here to help you. Just feel free to touch that link, and then after there, my friend, your life imechange tu hivyo. Once life yako imechange. So and you can be able to stay in a good house, you can be able to stay in a sweet home, and ulisha wazazi wako na brother zako na sister yako, and then you can walk with a good car by just using your phone. Hata simu kama inakaje, burako uko na katouch pale, umenunua na mzazi, matoka high school, umenunua na mzazi, hakuna haso ingine huku nje, just kufanya hiyo job. It's just your phone and laptop. Kindly, and kama uko side za Embu ama Mount Kenya, that is Kirugoya, Kirinyaga, Kirugoya, Kutus, Kagumo, Embu, Piae, Mwea, and then Tharaka Nithi, Chuka, hizo side. If you are there, we have a very, very free class on the 26th February. So nitawaambia where we'll have the venue in Embu town, and then come tell your friend that we have these classes, so he can come or she can come to see the goodness that he can do with his phone or her phone. So kindly share this video, subscribe, like and share, because itaelimisha watu wengi sana. And then remember, maisha si ya mtu, maisha ni yako peke yako. So ukiona kitu poa ya kufanya na simu yako, just do it than scrolling YouTube. So I know one day utakumbuka this day, and I will be glad that you are happy to use your phone when trading. Kindly, the link is on my description. Feel free to ask any question. My number is there, and you are free to go. Thank you so much. I'm your boy DJ Search, right here, Marginex Trading Center.